Chapter 18 Means of Communication. In this chapter, we will learn about means of communication. As we all know that it is nearly impossible for us to go through a day without the use of communication. So what is communication? Communication is sending and receiving information between, that is, two or more people. And we communicate with people to share our thoughts, our ideas and information. Like in ancient times, in order to send a message, pigeons and horse riders were used. But later on, with the development of art and writing, we have several means of sending and receiving written and spoken messages. So we use various means of communication that help us to communicate with one another. Let's learn about some means of communication one by one. Post office and telegraph office. We send letters to other people by post. We write the letter, then we put it inside an envelope and write the address of a recipient on the envelope. Then we paste the stamp on it. After it's done, we drop the sealed envelope in the letter box. The postman collects the letter from the letter box and takes them to the post office. Then the letters are sorted out to be sent to different places. Then the postman comes and collects the letter. Then he delivers the letter at the addresses written on the envelopes. The letter is then received by the person. Today we have speed post and courier services for a speedy communication, where letters and parcels are carried by train, bus, airplane, and ship, and it takes a few days to reach the given address. Telephone carries human voice over the wires to long distances within and outside the country instantly. We can talk to a person directly through subscriber trunk dialing STD and international subscriber dialing ISD. And telephone is one of the fastest means of oral communication, where we can instantly speak to anyone just by dialing to the person's phone number. Mobile phones are very important means of communication, where we can speak to our friends, dear ones, using the mobile. It is used to call and receive messages. The modern mobile phone allow us to receive and send text messages, emails, images and videos, as well as access to internet, games, listen to music and so forth. Since they are not connected with any wire, we can carry them anywhere, and they have become an essential part of our life, and every one of us uses them for various purposes. Mass communication. Sometimes we need to send messages to a large number of people at the same time. This is possible through newspaper, radio and television. And newspaper tells us everything that is happening around us in the world. We listen to music, news and other programs on the radio. Television is yet another means of communication. We can hear and see what is happening around the world by watching the news and other programs on TV. Fax, computer and satellites. Fax or facsimile is a means by the exact copy of which a written document is transmitted on a machine, where it is used to instantly send a copy of a letter to another fax machine. And in order to send the letters by fax, we also need to know the fax number of another person. Computer can handle many tasks in business, education and communication. A computer also helps us to connect and communicate with people all over the world through the internet. We can send messages to people through emails. A satellite is a man-made object that orbits a planet. It is used for many purposes, including information on weather, vegetation, minerals, groundwater, settlements, etc. It is also used for telecasting programs like live matches on television. Nowadays, satellites are also used in telephones in remote areas.